Alright, let's dive into something that's got the aviation world buzzing, Airbus's new patent for a reimagined business class seat. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like airlines are in a constant race to outdo each other in the premium travel game? Personally, I think this patent is Airbus's way of saying, hold my beer, we're not just playing the game, we're rewriting the rules. Here's the deal. Airbus is proposing a business class seat that's not just about luxury, it's about efficiency, scalability, and solving real problems for both airlines and passengers. What makes this really interesting is that it's designed to fit both widebody and single-aisle jets. Think about it, lie-flat comfort in a single-aisle plane. That's a game changer. But here's the kicker, it's not just about the seat itself. It's about how Airbus is positioning itself as the go-to partner for airlines looking to expand their premium offerings. Now, let's talk about why premium travel is booming. From my perspective, it's not just about pampering the rich. It's about solving real pain points for travelers. People want rest, space, and the ability to work or relax comfortably on long flights. Hybrid work models have blurred the lines between business and leisure travel, so a bigger seat isn't a luxury, it's a productivity tool. What many people don't realize is that airlines are raking in higher margins from these premium seats, and manufacturers like Airbus are the unsung heroes making it all possible. One thing that immediately stands out is how Airbus is tackling the engineering challenges. They're using a single-motor mechanism to convert the seat from upright to lie-flat, which is genius. Why? Because it cuts down on weight and complexity, which is a huge deal for airlines trying to balance comfort with fuel efficiency. If you take a step back and think about it, this isn't just a seat, it's a solution to the airline industry's biggest headache: how to offer more premium seats without sacrificing profitability. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Airbus isn't just designing a seat, they're creating a modular architecture that can be deployed across different aircraft models. This raises a deeper question: are they future-proofing their business by becoming indispensable to airlines? In my opinion, absolutely. By patenting this design, they're not just protecting their innovation, they're gaining leverage in negotiations with airlines and seat makers. Now, let's talk about what this means for passengers. The new seat offers a mini-suite experience with sliding doors, a tall side panel, and a clever use of space. A detail I find fascinating is how the armrest and ottoman extend to create a full bed without making the cabin feel cramped. What this really suggests is that Airbus is thinking about both form and function. They're not just throwing luxury at the problem, they're engineering a smarter solution. For airlines, this seat is a no-brainer. It allows them to scale premium capacity up or down based on demand, which is crucial in today's unpredictable market. What this really suggests is that Airbus is giving airlines a tool to maximize revenue without the headache of retrofitting or certifying new layouts. From my perspective, this is Airbus saying, we've got your back, now go out there and sell those premium tickets. But here's the broader perspective: this isn't just about one seat or one airline. It's about the future of air travel. As premium travel continues to surge, manufacturers like Airbus are becoming the architects of this new era. They're not just building planes, they're designing ecosystems that allow airlines to thrive. What many people don't realize is that behind every luxurious business class suite is a mountain of engineering, certification, and strategic planning. So, what's the takeaway here? Personally, I think Airbus's patent is more than just a new seat, it's a statement. It's a signal that they're not just reacting to market trends, they're shaping them. And if you're an airline executive, this is the kind of innovation that keeps you up at night, in a good way. It's not just about offering lie-flat seats, it's about redefining what's possible in the skies. Here's my closing thought: as we see more innovations like this, it's not just the airlines or manufacturers who win, it's us, the passengers. Because when companies like Airbus push the boundaries of what's possible, we all get to fly a little better. So the next time you're in a business class seat, take a moment to appreciate the engineering marvel beneath you. It's not just a seat, it's the future of travel.